In this video, you'll learn how to create a QR code for a file or folder stored in Google Drive so you can share it quickly and easily without typing long links. First, make sure you're signed in to your Google account and have your file or folder ready in Google Drive. This could be anything you want to share: a document, a PDF, a slideshow, an image, or even an entire folder of materials. Once you're in Google Drive, locate that item in your list. Now open the file or folder in Google Drive by clicking on it once, just to confirm it's the correct one. This helps you double check that you're not accidentally sharing the wrong document or a private file you didn't mean to. After you've confirmed it, go back to your Drive view where you can see the file or folder icon. Next, right-click the file or folder. On a computer, that usually means clicking with the right mouse button or using a two-finger tap on a trackpad. This will open a small menu with different options related to that item. From this menu, look for the option that says Get Link and click it. A sharing window will pop up. Here, you'll see a link that Google Drive uses to share the file or folder. Before you copy it, quickly review the sharing settings. If you want anyone with the QR code to be able to open the file, you may need to change the permissions to something like anyone with the link can view. If it's set to restricted, only people you've already shared it with will be able to open it, even if they scan the QR code. Adjust the settings based on how public or private you want the content to be. Once you're happy with the sharing settings, click the button that says Copy Link. This copies the Google Drive link to your clipboard so you can paste it into a QR code generator. Now open a new tab in your browser and go to a QR code generator. There are many free options available online. You can search for QR code generator and pick a reputable one. You don't need to sign up or create an account for most basic generators, which is handy if you just need a quick code. In the QR code generator page, you'll see a field where you can paste a URL. Click inside that field and paste the Google Drive link you just copied. Make sure the full link appears with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. After pasting the link, look for a button that says something like Generate, Create QR code, or similar, and click it. The website will process your link and display a QR code based on that Google Drive URL. This black and white square is what people will scan with their phones to access your file or folder. Once the QR code appears, you can either download or share it. To download it, choose an image format like PNG or JPG and save it to your computer. You can then insert it into documents, slides, posters, handouts, or emails. If the generator offers a direct share option, you can copy the image or link to the QR code and send it straight to others. And that's all you need to do. You've now turned your Google Drive file or folder link into a QR code, making it much faster and more convenient for people to access your content.